hit the record button.
I'll do a few weeks soon.
Okay. It
I'm
is July 15th, 2026. This is Little Red Wagon Project, WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Want to start us off, Lauren?
sure. So as I was saying about last week, there was some business stuff that I will talk about in Crosstalk, and that turned very, very uh, uh, went south, very, very badly. So uh, yeah, so that it was both time consuming and emotionally shocking, Uh, then I also, for the first time, I tried to sell something on eBay, and it seemed to be going fabulously until it got to its destination. And so we'll talk about that in crosstalk too.
Oh dear.
Anyway, uh, so I didn't get the things I wanted to do, which was to sort out the email for this meeting and do some Docker or ESP32 things, or test the chip from this. I still want to test the chip from China. And so that's put off another week, but I don't think there's anything more I can do regardless of on these personal/business issues. So I'm hoping to just do what I was going to do last week, this week. And the blocks are honest, I, I, surprises, things I didn't expect, where I was looking, to see if I had messed up somewhere, and it wasn't. I was looking in the wrong place. Uh, other other people I'm working with were not didn't work out well. So that's it for me.
Okay. Dave, you're up.
Okay, I added sound to my
Nice.
speaker on the top there, to my brain fixer there.
Mm-hmm.
As I think I mentioned before, I solved the problem of the speaker, not producing the such low tones, the fact that it's not a big bass speaker, by having it click at 40 cycles per second, or 32 as the case may be. So now on the controls, I've got the on-off switch, which has three settings: off, dim, and bright. No, doggy, you're not invited. The 40 versus 32 cycle switch, and now this switch has three positions, which is both light and sound only, and light only. And again, this can be plugged in, either electrical outlet or battery. And I think I mentioned that I've been asked to give a presentation at a maker group tomorrow, and so I'm going to take that along. And I'm also going to try to take along the tricorder, and if I can get it, maybe tune up a little bit. So I actually spent a little bit of time on that, not really a significant amount, but a little bit of time on that. So I guess that counts as something too. I was rather delayed by, life, as I said. I mentioned to you that I had to take my car in, and that finally came around. So yesterday I had to take it in, and then today I had to go back again. And so that kind of killed most of the day. Also, I was kind of busy this morning giving away money. There's you familiar with global giving?
No, actually, I'm not familiar with that one.
It's basically an organization that acts as um, a throughway to charities. A bunch of charities sign up, and they handle the money, the processing of the money, and everything. And they today they're having a matching grant. They got up to $150,000, And if you give this at least $100 to some of the charities there, they match it. And so I figured this was a really good day for me to give money to charity. So I give about 2,000 some dollars to various charities, mostly places places that grow fruit trees in poor countries.
Okay.
And the point is that that's a little bit off topic, but the point is that that was just one of the things that took up a lot of my time. I mean, today was that, and then go get my car fixed. And so anyway, that's those are the two things I got done: the brain fixer and a little tiny bit of work on the tricorder there.
And next week?
Next week, well, I have the presentation at the Maker Group tomorrow. I believe I'm going to have various health related things. Oh, there was another thing. I had a doctor's appointment. But I'm going to try to work on the tricorder some more and get back to the book. I hope.
Okay. Sounds good. Michael Wolchuk's Austrian Canada, and I have not got a lot to show for this week. Lots of blocks preventing me from doing stuff. Still looking to get into Docker for Docker and a little bit of the ESP home or home assistant stuff next week, which it sounds like it's not related to WIKISPEED and the Little Red Wagon, but it actually sounds like it might work very well with Ross. We'll see. So blocks are we had a lot of rain, and the rain basically postponed several of the other honeydew list projects that we had, and we had some problems with the septic system that we had to deal with. We had problems with the water supply we had to deal with. We had to shock treat the well because it was no longer safe to drink. So not a lot of my time was free this week. Anyway, we're hoping to do a little bit better next week. So Lauren, I guess we're looking for retro.
But by the way, with that business you're talking about with wells and stuff, was that related to your no, it's one that does the agricultural work, right? For both of you.
Yeah, Lauren was doing the agriculture stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I was thinking maybe it had to do with that, which would sort of count.
Nope.
Yeah, okay. I just remembered that I sent you a link. It's this guy who posts things he makes for his office, and he made a chair. He's the CEO or something of this electronics company, and he made a rolling chair that comes to him when he's talking to people, and the conversation gets along. The chair comes and goes under him, and he sits on it.
Okay, I don't remember seeing that one.
Oh, maybe I didn't send it, so I'll double check that I sent it. I got the link, and I was thinking of sending it. The interesting thing was, he said he bought kind of off the shelf a little module. He had a LiDAR on it, but he bought a little module that follows him. And it's a self-contained little thing that you can attach to something that moves.
Oh, yeah, you did send that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't watched it yet.
Yeah, did you send it to me too?
Yes.
Yeah, I see you in a few minutes. Is that?
No, it was called, I couldn't make out the device name.
Yeah. I haven't, I got to watch it again and make out the device name and check it out, see how much it costs. Anyway, I did post that.
I think I see both your emails on it, dude.
Hey,
Yeah, I don't see it, so maybe you can send it to me again. You send it to
Okay.
the AOL account?
And the Gmail.
Okay, you see if you can send it again. I don't know what happened there.
Okay, so then I'm going to give myself a 3 for, whatever I did, and the team, I'm going with, again, David's pulling us up to 7 or 8, and no process improvement, and that's it for me.
Okay, well, I'm going to give myself like an 8 for adding the speaker to my brain fixer, and maybe a 1 for having worked on for the tricorder, and I'll give myself a 1 for getting here, so I'll give myself a 10 there.
That sounds good to me.
As for the group, I'll give you a 5. We'll give the group a 5, maybe a 6 or so. You know, you do some work. And process improvement. Well, I'm done with my car, so that hopefully will be, you know. By the way, I'm going to give myself a couple of points for giving the presentation at the Maker Group next week. You know, and I'll also hopefully learn, you know, a lot. I mean, you know, talking to other makers and everything like that. I hope this really takes off. So that's going to be kind of working with this maker group is going to be a project too. So process improvement will, well, you can call that process improvement. That I'm going to be, you know, working, you know, making contacts with makers, and just try to budget my time better.
Okay. I'm going to give myself 2 for showing up for the meeting, and that's about it because I didn't get to anything I was supposed to get done. And I'll go with the 6, 7, 7 for the team. And that's about it. I will hit stop on the recording so we can get to crosstalk.